Most common Python coding challenge. Here we find lots of Python coding challenge. Example like design a URL shortener service. Problem statement: accept a long URL and return a short version. Redirect a URL, accept a short URL and redirect to the original URL. Track click, track the number of time track the number of time a shortener URL has been accessed. Prevent duplication. If the same long URL is shortened multiple times, return the same shortened URL. Requirement: use a database, SQL, SQLite, any other memory storage to store mapping between short and long URL. Ensure the shortened URL is unique and as short as possible. Handle edge cases, invalid URL, duplicate URL. Write unit test to validate your implementation. Example: here is the main example, the solution. Step by step solution will be here. At first design the system, database schema, ID, long URL, short URL, click count. Algorithm: base 62 encoding. Thread safety: use a threading. Step 2 implementation. These are coding using Python, so please look at the coding and carefully, and if you find any error, please let me know. Also, step 3 unit test. You will find unit test cost in here. Then explanation: 1. Base 62 encoding, thread safety, database integration, scalability. You will get more bonus, custom short, expiration, analytics. Another challenge: process and analysis large log file. So here is the problem statement. You are given a large log file, several GBs in size, containing record of user activities on a website. Each line in the log file has following format: timestamp, user ID, activity type, duration. Example like first timestamp, user ID, activity type login, first says how many time, duration, etc. Your task is to process this log file and generate the following insight: total number of activities for each user, total duration of activities in each user, most frequent activity type across all users, top 5 users with the highest total duration. Requirement: the log file is too large to fit in the memory, so you must process in line by line. Optimize for performance and memory uses. Write clean, modular and well documented code. Include unit tests to validate your implementation. Example: input large file, lots of, and output will be like this. Solution: step 1, design the system. Process file line by line. Track user activity. Track activity frequency. Optimize for performance. Implementation. There is code. Unit test. Explanation. Bonus feature. Another coding challenge is build a task scheduler with priority queue. Same design. Example: solution guideline, bonus point, silence pipe, LRU cache implementation, 6 implemented threadful, focus concurrent and design, this end. If you have any question or you will get any error, please let me know. I will try to give you a solution. You also find the previous tutorial where you will get 12 coding silence. Please look at all two video and also go to the URL. URL will be found in the description box. Thank you.